Okay, how many people are burnt out by coffee, right? You almost take a break to get some coffee, to get some energy going again. It's because a lot of times in the morning, you spend all your time prioritizing for the rest of the day. Now you have to do that, you have to prioritize, but prioritizing is one of your brain's most energy hungry activities. And the challenge for you is that the part of your brain that's doing it is the newest part of your brain. It's a prefrontal cortex. It's like, I don't know, 3 to 5% of the total weight of your brain, which means it's not a giant physical part of it. And it was the last major part added. So after you do just a few things, a few little mental exercises, you're worn out. If you're going to prioritize effectively, you want to do it when you've got the most energy. And that's really unique to the person. Some people it's in the morning, some people it's after the gym. It's really different for everybody, but your prefrontal cortex it behaves almost like a muscle, and the more that you work it, the stronger it becomes, just like the rest of the muscles in your body, even though we all know it's not really a muscle. But all the mental exercises that you can do, those things help, because what you're asking for is a brain that's not wired to do these things. It's really wired to keep you alive and being eaten or run over or something like that, to do all of these high-level mental functions in a clump, when what you need to do is spread them out through the day. Or you focus on too many things. You don't focus on 3 things, you focus on 30 things, in which case your brain's burn out before you even get to number 30. Just focus on 3 or 4 of them, get them done. Move to the next 3 or 4, get them done. And different things you do require different kinds of thinking. Don't force your brain to do the same thing so long that it's burnt out, because once it's burnt out, you know, like with your muscles, once they're burnt out and sore, you're done for the day.